And later on, he came to Parliament. He was our leader and gave us very good leadership. And when he came to the presidential campaign, he gave it a lot of vigor. He gave it his all. Honorable Duale, we salute you. And what you have done is the right thing. And let everybody who has time put something down. With my exception, let me wait a little bit for Kenyans to get used to truth. Then at the right time, we shall do what we need to do. With those very remarks, I want to request you to be upstanding and help me to usher in the 5th President of the Republic of Kenya, Mr. President.
Thank you very much. Asante sana. Tafadhali, let us take our seats. Thank you very much. My friend Aden Bare Duale, distinguished leaders present here this evening, members of the diplomatic corps, Mama and family. I am very happy this evening. And I'm very happy this evening because you all agree that this evening Aden Duale is in his element. He is a happy man. Because my friend Aden Duale is happy, I am very happy. He has said many things. I